In four entities, all the when we are combining these four entities, we are getting a one bin stack. So in that bin stack, what we are having? MongoDB, Express.js, AngularJS, Node.js. In everything we are saying a JS. What is the use of JS? JavaScript, right? So in JavaScript, there are two things like Java. First one is your Java, and second one is your script. Right? So script, everyone know what is the use of script? Why we are using a script? Script is nothing but a number of codes or number of lines of information that we are writing. This script is nothing but what purpose we are using? Encryption and decryption purpose also we are using. Why? Because if we are not providing encryption and decryption, what we will do? That other person, those that don't know about anything, what he will do? He will come, he will change that things, and your web browser or whatever you implement the code, that will be easily detected. Right? So for that purpose they implemented the scripts. Script is nothing but a one type of securely form we implemented for the encryption and decryption purpose. Second one is our Java. Everyone knows Java. What is the use of Java? Why we are using Java? Maximum companies are using Java nowadays. JavaScript, Angular Java, scripted Java and all. Why they are using now? Only nowadays companies working more less than Python, DS and JavaScript they are using mainly. Why? Because Java is providing a more security as compared to the other languages. In Java, what we are having all they are having subpartners. Like when you implement the Java, you are getting core Java, advanced Java, Angular Java, scripted Java, JS and everything we are getting there. So for that purpose, what company is thinking? Why we have to waste our time to implement other languages? So they are completely working on a Java. Because Java is portable, we can run on any other compiler. After that, Java is a highly secure. It is having their own JVM. We don't have to depend on any other JVM. Java is providing their own JVM. So whenever you are writing any code or when you are trying to implement any code, you can easily write and you can easily run that code. So for that purpose, Java they are implementing. So JavaScript is nothing but what they are using for the highly security purpose with the help of web pages purpose they are using a JavaScript. Now JavaScript we understand. First of all, afterward we have to understand this thing we mentioned. Like JavaScript we continuously mention. So we understand what is the mean by JavaScript. Now we have to understand this item or this thing that we implemented for the combining of this step. First thing is our MongoDB. MongoDB, why we are using MongoDB? To store a database. Like already we mentioned here the database. Database is nothing but what we are saying. Database is nothing but one kind of warehouse. Warehouse means like we are using now we are using hard disk. In hard disk what we are doing? We are storing the data. Like suppose you are storing photos, images, videos, PDF, your documents and all. Everything you are storing. How you are storing? Folder wise data you are storing. But that storing data will be one kind of warehouse. Right? Whatever you require, like suppose you want to apply for the college application. What you require? You require document. What you will do? You will go to warehouse. You will open that document folder and you will collect that document and you will submit. So one kind of database what you are doing? We will add nothing but one kind of database. Now, when you are saying about the MongoDB, in MongoDB what type of database we are storing? We are storing a document base. Document based database we are storing in a MongoDB. So document base is nothing but what we are saying the scripted data. Scripted data means like whenever you are writing any code, suppose in HTML you are writing any code. In that code what we are having, we have to write some tags.